today's video, we are going to be doing what it's like volunteering at an animal shelter, and I have an absolute love for animals. Today's job for me is to be a dog deputy. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna give all these dogs so much love and affection. I'm gonna take them on some walks, give them some love, give them some treats, and I'm just gonna show you the whole process of what I do when I volunteer there. So yeah, let's get into the video. Since I've only volunteered here a couple times, I am a level 1 dog deputy, so I can only go with level 1 dogs that are super cooperative. The more I volunteer though, then I get to level 2 and I can go with the more difficult dogs. Look at her go. She's doing great. She has a little limp though. Sparky. Someone wants to go for a walk. Yeah. She carries a toy in her mouth for comfort because with her sister, they always usually walk together because they come in a pair, especially adoption-wise. They also come in a pair. She's about 9 years old. Aww. This is the sister of Sparky. High energy. They love squirrels. Walk of the day. I will show you guys all the dogs at the end. Please come to your local animal shelter and adopt. They need a home so bad, and they're always waiting for someone to come and take them home. I've got both of my dogs from animal shelters and they're the sweetest things, so I would strongly recommend it. We always try to love and nourish them. There's people here that train them. There's people here that also give them spay and neuter and check on their health, but they need a home. They want family. Be that family for them. This is Bella, this is my other dog. This is Izzy. Say hi, girl. Basic message of this video, to please go to your local animal shelter and adopt. These dogs are always waiting for their forever home and an owner that's gonna take them into good hands. Sometimes it just takes them a little bit of patience and love in order to get them back on track, and that's totally normal. So on that note, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down below to subscribe to this channel, and comment below if you have rescued your dog from an animal shelter as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on Thursday. Bye!